Let me first and foremost thank Nigerians for believing in Mr. President, the Grand Commander-in-Chief, Armed Forces of Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR, on Renew Hope agenda. This is almost 2 years plus in government, and we can see the level of the rapid transformation, reformation, and reposition of our dear country. And above all, I call on all Nigerian youth and women across the board that we need to support this rapid transformation, reformation, and positioning under our eloquent leader, His Excellency Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Grand Commander-in-Chief GCFR, and the Vice President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, all the cabinet members, because this rapid transformation and repositioning has placed Nigeria the ivory tower. I want to congratulate Nigerian youths for believing in this cause and believing in Mr. President. I want to thank us that we have almost 21 reasons why it is important for all of us to re-elect His Excellency Mr. President come 2027 to continue his good work, because the level of transformation, reformation, and repositioning now have given us a very good result. And even Mr. President make it clear when they host the Buhari organization group that the 2025 budget has met up since in August this year, to tell you how capable this government is. And I want to congratulate Nigeria for having him as one of the best since the inception of this country. That is one. On the aspect of the second aspect of today's briefing, it is very important that, as we all are aware, that our National Convention, Intellectual Elite Youth Association of Nigeria, to inaugurate officially the National Executive Council, the Zonal Executive Council, the State Executive Council, the Zonal Executive Councils, and all the polling unit commission across the board is already stated for August 16 to 24. And because of the tight schedule and some circumstances that come up, we'll be able to ratify and postpone it till 10th, 20th to 26th of October 2025. As we all are aware that the letter has already been written to the State House Banquet Hall, which we have received the first set of the letter, while the second letter is almost ready to receive. And I want to sincerely thank and appreciate all the leaders of IEYAN in 36 states of the Federation, including Federal Capital Territory Abuja, for working tirelessly day and night. And in short, kudos to all of us. Congratulations to all the IEYAN family as a whole. And as we all are aware, our program is scheduled to 10 to 15, 10 on the 28th to 26th of October 2025, as is scheduled. And by God's grace, the mode of programs and the structure of the program is already established. We are going to have a lot of things to happen, because number one, the arrival is stated for 28th of October. That is arrival for all the delegates to Abuja. And we have on Tuesday, which is 21st of October, it serves as the receiving of the delegate tags, ID card, certificate of office, and other relevant documents to each state chapter throughout the Federation. On Wednesday, we will still embark on the sanitization and orientation to all the newly incoming executive council across the board. On Thursday, we will have our skill acquisition program, whereby we are going to empower almost 1,000 youth and women on 20 to 25 different skills here in Abuja. So part of what we plan to train, number one, it is very open that people will be learn skill on our skill acquisition program. We have on our skill acquisition we have multipurpose liquid soap, hair freshener liquid and solid, anti-draft hair cream, hot balm, shampoo, cosmetics, tailoring, computer, shoemaking, body cream, organic soap, body lotion, body scrub, fast grow hair cream, shampoo, shower gel, perfume, Vaseline, body oil, lip balm and hair conditioner, aftershave, stain remover, Iza, Hypo, Omo, tablet soap, shoemaking and bag making, etc. And we have written officially to Smedan, which I want to assure us that the confirmation has been given and they will be fully part of this project. Not only that, we can't train people without getting them small loan to embark on. And now we have resolved with UBA and EcoBank, which they have approved the loan for all our members who is participating in this forthcoming skill acquisition program. That one is on Thursday. We are going to have our Loveti football match on Friday at the Old Parade Ground, which is in team Shetima versus team Tinubu, which is the Northern versus Southern team, as we have know. So we are having that one, and we are going to have a Jumat prayer at the National Assembly Central Mosque. That one is same thing on Friday. We are going to have the main event on Saturday, which is on the 25th of October, and whereby the award will be given to all the eminent personality dignitaries across the board. The executive will be inaugurated, both the national, zonal, SA and zonal and the state level, and the skill acquisition people will receive their certificate of return, and the check will be given to all the beneficiaries as well. Not only that, our scholarship students, based on our scholarship program, they are going to receive the admission letter to the various tertiary institutions, and immediately after that, another event that will take place on that same day. So immediately after that, we are going to have what we call get together, which is Ghana night. That one will be done at the Nino Hotel. That one is the same day. So before we proceed there to the church program. So, and this is the itinerary for 2025 IEYAN National Convention. And this program, it is involved all the support group that work for Mr. President were all invited, because united we stand, divided we fall. And a lot of dignitaries who attend this event, we have done that at our doorsteps, and we can confirm to you that all the agencies, starting from the State House, the President, the Vice President, the Chief of Staff, Deputy Chief of Staff, the First Lady, the ministries, all ministers, the governor, the senators, the rep, and what have you, all of them have already written to, and by God's grace, the day we will all have a successful event. A lot of dignitaries will be giving award that same day, and I want to sincerely thank our leader, who has been working day and night to support us, God Almighty will continue to bless Mr. President and his cabinet and all the IEYAN family members across the board.